Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to be going over what currency pairs work best. Now to give you a quick introduction before we go into a bit of screen sharing so you don't just have to look at my face the whole time. It's a little bit of a, how should I put this? An individualized process of which currency pairs work best. Short answer, your backtesting is going to tell you. It always is. It's always going to reveal the best results for you. However, in saying that, I do have some favorites that work really well with smart money and mechanical trading just because of their predictability, as much as you can predict within Forex. So let's go and jump into the video now. So some of my favorite pairs are USD pairs, and the reason for that is because of this DXY here, or the US dollar index. Now this cannot be traded in the world of Forex. However, it does give us a great indication of where the other pairs are going to move. If I open this back up and we can go over here and see an NZD USD, you can see that when this pair was going down, guess what the DXY was doing? This pair was moving up. And when the US dollar had a big tank, what happened here? It went all the way up. Now that is going to be the same for AUD USD, or any pairs that are listed first. So we can see the exact same thing. This one's going up while the DXY was going down. Now, you can see that not all the time, especially with some of these pairs, they might not respect the DXY completely, but that is quite rare, and it's an opportunity for divergence as well in the market, which will be something else we go over. And divergence can give quite a lot of good entries, if I can actually speak properly. However, it also shows that the USD pairs will respect the DXY fully. For example, this is a near carbon copy of what's going on here. And then you could go onto the USD CAD and see that when it goes down, the USD goes down. That is because USD is listed first. So you can kind of use the DXY as a bit of a cheat code. If you know what's going on here, you can know what the other USD pairs are going on with there. Secondly, I'm just going to talk about the JPY pairs. These are really nice. If you go and have a look at them, there's a lot of volatility in the market. Moves from beginning to end, especially if you're a swing trader, are fantastic. Fortunately, my screen was blocked off a little bit there. If we even go from the bottom, say here to the top, we're talking about 492 pips. Over here, we're talking about 551. There are some incredibly big moves, as we can see. A lot of volatility in the market. It seems I've been trading at some point. Yes, there are areas of stagnation, and they can last for quite a long period of time. However, when these pairs move, they really do move. And that's for most of the Japanese pairs here. Again, you can see that I've been looking at a few trades going on here. But it doesn't matter which one you look at, you can find a lot of volatility. Now this, as I said in the introduction, is going to be very individualized to your strategy and to your backtesting. Your backtesting is going to show you whether or not that, what pairs you want to trade and what pairs you want to avoid. So although I can give you two good pairs here and say the US pairs as well as the JPY pairs are really nice, they've got that volatility in the market, they allow for quite a good run, especially with trend traders. That's a massive plus. It doesn't mean that it is going to be the same for everyone, but that's what I would look at here. In terms of, and I guess this doesn't really go with the title, but I should say it anyway, pairs to avoid. Euro Chef, as in this pair here, is probably the pair you want to avoid. I know everything that I can say could be controversial, and one person will say, yes, I love that, and one person, me, says no. They may be right for their strategy. So always take what I say with a grain of salt there. But that's what I would be going over in terms of my favorite pairs, how I would be trading them and why. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye guys.